Wala akong may pagmamayabang, porma ko'y pasimple-simple lang. Sino ba ako? Walang dating sa'yo. Di tayo bagay, sobrang mong ganda.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I started this vlog by making Maggie. I ordered Maggie, but not Maggie wali Maggie. It comes like Kippy from Balaji. So it's okay, काम चलाना पड़ेगा, ऑप्शन नहीं है हमारे पास क्योंकि मैंने और मेरी फ्रेंड ने लंच स्किप कर दिया था. तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट विल टेस्ट. आई नो मेरे व्लॉग्स रेगुलरली नहीं आ रहे हैं एंड आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर कि मैंने लास्ट वीडियो कब डाला था. सो येस, दिस टाइम आई विल बी ट्राइंग मोर टू बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड trying to be upload more videos. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please make sure you subscribe it and like the video and do share with your friends. Come back to the vlog. Maggie is ready and now let's enjoy it and then we will get back to the work of journal. This Maggie tasted kind of weird. It was not too good or not too bad, but still I ate this, and after eating Maggie I slept for 1.5 hours. I woke up around 6:30 PM and I was kind of hungry, so I decided कि कुछ खाने के बाद ही जर्नल लिखते हैं. But before that, let me show you this cute sketch which I made this morning because it's Christmas today. I have total 23 journals including all the 6 subjects of second BMS. I have my university exams are coming in January, so I need to complete all of them before that time and need to check them, sign them and have stamp on them. So I'll be cross checking all of them today. Hopefully I can do them all. Just look at the bunch of journals. It's so tiring that you have to write all the 23 journals by yourselves because it's not something little paragraph or little points, but you have to write big paragraphs, bunch of slokas, so many bunch of slokas. Okay, so time पे complete नहीं हो पाती है journals और we have university exams are coming as I told you before. And not many not more than 20 days are left by now and still we are writing journals. Seriously, I mean. And let me tell you that I have not read any of my syllabus from past 2 to 3 days because of these journals. And I'll try to complete as many as I can. Actually, I have completed all of them. There is all 22 journals I have completed. बस उसमें कुछ जो चीज़ें थी जो नहीं आई हैं लिखने के लिए वही अभी ऐड करनी है. So I am grateful for that. सो वी हैव वन जर्नल इन स्वस्वृत्ता जिसमें टोटल 59 एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज़ मोस्टली। तो उसमें हमें हमारे ग्रुप की फ़ोटोज़ लगानी है जिसने वो परफॉर्म किया है। सो लेट मी शो यू माइन। This is me. Yes, this is me. We will do face revealing on maybe 5k subscribers. I hope we get there very soon. So please subscribe to my channel and show some love. सो आई वॉज कटिंग ऑल द पिक्चर्स एंड ये जा गिरा नीचे बेड के नीचे, और जैसे मैं इसको निकालने गई ये फट गया थोड़ा सा। आई नो इट्स नॉट काइंड ऑफ बिग डील, बट आई एम अ पर्सन, काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिसको सब मतलब ऐसे अच्छे से चाहिए। मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता कि मेरी बुक्स और ये सब कुछ ऐसे फट जाए। ओके, सो ठीक है, चला लेंगे। Finally done with the first journal of Swasprut. It's already 11 p.m. and now I'm going to write रोगनिदान journal. बहुत कुछ उसमें बाकी नहीं है, अभी रिसेंटली कुछ समरीज लिखनी आई है। सो आई विल बी डन क्विकली विथ रोगनिदान होपफुली। लेट्स सी हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक। हाय। Finally done with the second journal of Rognidhan also. It took me around 30 minutes. As you can see, it's 11:21, so less than 30 minutes, I guess. That's good. And now I'm writing e-herbarium journal of Dravya Gun department. So I completed all the 4 journals of it, but ये अभी रिसेंटली ये भी कल ही आई है और इसमें इतना ज़्यादा कुछ लिखना है नहीं, बट ये मेरी पूरी की पूरी बाकी है लिखनी। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। This is my first video of doing voiceover. I hope you all like it and enjoy the whole vlog. I finally complete with herbarium journal. This is my journal which are completed, okay? This one and this one both are my friends' journal which I borrowed from them. And let's see the time. It's 1 a.m. Thanks for watching and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.